What's up, YouTube? Told you last week I bought everything for that car. I kind of lied, forgot spark plugs, but that ain't no big deal. I can buy those from, I think I bought them from Advance last time. They sell like Heat Ranger, so colder plugs. But this is all. I know it's small, but it's everything we need. So let's show you what I got. Got a water pump. Went ahead and bought it with the pulley. I bought it off eBay. I can't remember what seller I bought it off of. Come out of New York, but it's actually really clean. Like, it almost looks new. Maybe like they painted it, but it's really clean. Looks like it's in good shape. But water pump, yeah, I know it's in saran wrap and it's got oil and stuff in it to keep it from rusting. So I'm not really gonna mess with it right now. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get done today. I got two things in mind. I'd really like to get the power steering pump put on, and I'd really like to get the starter put on. Starter. I went ahead and bought a Power Master high torque mini starter. My theory behind it was factory starter is about $130. I think you could buy SVE or something like that. It was like 100. No, 140. It was 140 bucks for a SVE. So I got this from Summit Racing. It was 170 bucks, but I think this one was a little bit more because I opted for the powder coated one. It's powder coated black. It's pretty nice, really. It's really nice, actually. But yeah, this is what we're going with. Is the Power Master. Very nice unit, 170 bucks. I don't feel like that was bad. I mean, this one ought to do everything I need it to do, and then some. But I'm glad I went ahead and bought. Spent an extra 30-40 bucks on it. All right, what's up, dudes? Alright, I got the starter on. Wasn't too bad. Had me a little worried. I was putting it on wrong, but you would think there's no way, but couldn't get the bolt holes to line up. Anyways, here's what we got. Well, alright, seeing wires are hooked up. I didn't put the top one in. Looking on a lot of forums, a lot of guys don't because it's such a pain. They're torqued down pretty good. They're 10mm bolts. Your two wires right there, your power wire, I think it's a ground. One is a 10 and one is a 12. Alright. Recap, starter's on, all that. Power steering pump is now on and bolted down. I got the line hooked up. I got stumped on this one right there. I don't know if you can see my finger pointing at it. That's the reservoir hose, I'm pretty sure. This is a ground, but I did find something else. Oil pressure. Gotta find the wire to that. So one more, but I did figure out the other one. I just gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount it because apparently I didn't use one of the brackets that comes with the little stud, or I didn't put the right bolt in the right place that has the stud, which is fine. That ain't no biggie. I'll figure it out. That ain't nothing. Oh, one thing I didn't tell you. The clutch. For everybody that commented, I appreciate it. But it helps when it's hooked up to the quadrant under the dash. That's all I'm going to say. No, I'm not. My dumb ass didn't hook the clutch cable up under the dash. Okay? That's why there was no clutch. However, it still needs some adjusting. It's not quite right. I did come home one day and work on it a little bit while I was at work. I wasn't doing nothing. But it needs a little adjusting. I probably won't film that because it shouldn't take me long, and pretty much it's done anyway. I went ahead and pulled the bumper off. So we don't have much. Not much at all. I gotta get spark plugs. I gotta bolt a few things down. I gotta find that wire, which I don't think will be too terrible. I gotta get a flashlight where I can see, and not my phone, because my phone is just so, it's like I'm holding a damn brick trying to use it. But anyway, this is it. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank y'all for commenting, liking, subscribing.